channel. It's me, KayAmoah. I hope you guys are all doing well and good. Today's video is going to be an unboxing. I got sent this amazing box of hair goodies from a company called Tress. They did see my hair online, I think it was my Instagram, and they really liked my hair, and they decided they wanted to send me a free gift of one of their subscription boxes to share with you guys, let you guys know what you get inside their boxes and my experience. And also they offered you guys a free gift as well, but you guys will have to wait till the end of the video to find out what that is. But if you're interested to see what I got inside this box, then keep on watching. So before I get into what I actually got inside my box this month, I will let you know that Tress is a hair subscription box service primarily catering to natural hair women, teens, children, and they offer a different range of products, tools, and also hair tips just to encourage you to embrace your natural hair and to take care of it as well. What I really liked about this service is that it had a little card in it and it showed you exactly what you had in the box, how to use the product, the ingredients in the products, etc. Just to add that extra bit of care and attentiveness to show you, how to use the product, what's in the product. So I thought that was a really good extra as well. And I also really liked that the majority of the products were full size. I literally only had 2 kind of sample products, and even that, they were quite big as well. So yeah, I really liked the products that they gave me. So the first product that I got in my box was from the Cream of Nature for Natural Hair line, and that was the Col Repair Leave-In, and it says that it locks in moisture for dry, damaged, coarse hair. I really love the smell of this product. It smells amazing. For a leave-in, it is very thick. I'll show you guys. It is quite thick for a leave-in. My leave-ins I use tend to be quite watery based, but I definitely can't wait to give it a go. I'm gonna put a little bit of my hair now. But it smells amazing. I love the smell of it. I love that it's such a big tub. I mean, this is gonna last me so long. And yes, I'm really excited to try this out on my next wash day. Also from the Cream of Nature for Natural Hair line, I got the Moisture Curl Hair Milk, which is a lightweight cream for defined elongated curls, which again is a full-sized bottle as well with the little pump, which I really like. I like when my moisturizers have a pump. It's a lot easier to use. I've not opened it yet, so I'm just gonna do that now. And this is actually a lot more lightweight than the leave-in, which is good if you're going to use them both at the same time. And I'm going to try not to take out my curls, but yeah, this smells the same as the leave-in, but it's a tiny bit more coconutty, I think. But I really love the smell of this as well. And again, yeah, like it does say, it is definitely a lot more lightweight. So this should be quite good. I'm excited to try that out as well. The next product that I got from them is the Sheer Moisture 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Leave-In Treatment. It detangles, protects and controls frizz, and it states that it's for all hair types as well. The directions on this is to spray on clean damp hair, focusing on mid to end lengths of the hair. Blow or air dry and style as usual. So again, this is another leave-in. This is the type of leave-in that I'll most likely go for usually. So I'm definitely excited about trying that out. Let me just check the spray. It sprays really well. I really like the smell of that as well. So as you can see, it's very lightweight. It smells amazing. I really love the smell of this one. My hair's going to be smelling so good. But yeah, so, and again, another full-size product. This is a really big bottle. So yeah, I'm excited to try this out. I'll let you guys know how I find this as well. I might have to take a step back from my aloe vera juice while I try all these leave-ins that I have. The next products, I've got these 2 products, both from the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado line. And that is the Moisturising and Detangling Sulfate-Free Shampoo for all curl types, and also the Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. So again, I've got another leave-in. Now these are slightly smaller versions, but I think They should last me a good while just because this is a shampoo. I don't tend to shampoo my hair too often. And again, this is another leave-in. The leave-in says that it's with jojoba oil, and the shampoo says that it's with sweet almond and avocado oils. So that's really good. I'm excited to try these out. I'm going to see how the leave-in smells. Let me just take out, and also the consistency of it. Wow, that dropped. This is really watery. Oh my gosh. This smells like, I don't actually know what this smells like. It smells really good. This feels, I'm not too sure about the way it feels in my hair just from putting it in now. On the directions it does say to use, smooth the cream onto damp or wet hair before styling. So it could be because I'm using it on my dry hair. For the other two, when I just put them in, they still felt quite moisturising, but this has a bit of a coating to it. So I'll definitely try this. At the same time, I'll probably shampoo, use my deep conditioner, then follow up with this, and then I'll let you guys know how I found it. I'll definitely be doing a review on these two together. I've not really used many products from Design Essentials before, so I am excited about trying these out as well. Now the next product I got is actually from the brand Twisted Sister, which I've not used before, and that is their Nourishing Sleek Edge Gel with coconut, avocado and almond oils for sleek hold and luminous shine. Now this actually smells a bit like sweets, like candy, so I quite like that. Yeah, it's just an edge tamer. I think it works pretty well. This is my first time using it today. It's not been on long enough to see if it flakes. So far I've not had any flaking, and I'm about halfway through the day, so that's pretty good. But yeah, like I said, I'll probably use this a few more times just to see if I really like it and would stick with it and buy it in the future, but I do like the way it smells. And the final product that I got from them was actually a hair tool, and that was these Perm Rods, which I'm really happy about getting. They're pink and they're in 7mm, which I've never actually bought Perm Rods before. I've been meaning to purchase them for quite a long time. So when I opened the box and saw them, I got really excited. I was like, yes, I finally got some Perm Rods. So I'm going to try out some different styles. I'm going to try maybe a twist out and use the Perm Rods at the end, or see if I can use it pretty much all over. There's about 12 of them, so I don't know if it will be able to do my whole head, but I'll definitely give it a go. So that's all the goodies that I got in my subscription box service. Like I said, I'm really pleased with everything I got. The majority of them are full size, so I can get a really good use out of each product. And yeah, they're just different products and different brands that I haven't really used before, so that's really exciting, and I would love to use them again in the future. If you would like to try out their subscription box service, they've given you guys an amazing 10% off your first box. So that's 10% off for all of my viewers and subscribers. All you have to do is, when you sign up, enter in my discount code, which is K10. I'll also leave it in the description box below. And yeah, enter that in and you'll get 10% off your first box, which is really, really kind of them. So that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. As I said, I will have the link to the Tress website and also my coupon code in the description box below, so you guys can check that out. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button to join the KayAmoah family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care and stay blessed.